On this night 1 year ago, people were trying to dig their neighbors out of the rubble caused by a deadly tornado outbreak. One of the twisters hit in Araby after cutting a path of destruction through Gretna.
Myself and a neighbor went in and we had to kick in the door. There was an elderly lady and her son on one side, and they were both in the closet. And, you know, they talk about the closet and getting in a closet or getting to a central part of your house. Well, they were in the closet, and it saved their lives.
Now, on the anniversary of the devastating event, we're reconnecting with some of the communities that saw so much damage. An EF2 tornado killed one woman and injured several others in St. Charles Parish that day. It destroyed dozens of homes near Schoolhouse Road in Kelowna before crossing the Mississippi River and damaging more properties in Mons. Lily Cummings is joining us live from St. Charles Parish tonight. Lily, how do things...
Well, Devin, St. Charles Parish President Matt Jewell says that tornado destroyed more than 50 structures. Now, that includes homes as well as things such as sheds. We spoke to one woman today who survived the storm and how different her life is a year later. A year later, Schoolhouse Road in Kelowna still has scars from the tornado. You'll find tattered tarps and empty properties where homes once stood.
Well, this was part of my home. This was the backyard gazebo and a patio where we all used to sit and, you know, enjoy family time.
Geraldine Thomas's two-story house was destroyed.
The home was total. That was my home there for quite a while.
Until recently, she was living in this trailer.
It was a little trailer, but it was peace, and I was grateful.
Now she's got more space. Thomas's insurance helped to build a new home where her family can gather once again.
This is my saint's room, my houdat room.
She was able to salvage mementos and memories.
I even got Alvin Kamara.
But one of Thomas's neighbors wasn't so lucky. The storm claimed the life of 56-year-old Allison Raymond Alexander.
It's very sad, and I will remember that, but even more so, I'll remember how our community came together, our United Way, our industry partners, our residents who came together to make sure that those families during a time right before Christmas had everything they needed.
This Christmas, Thomas has the greatest gifts of all, her life and a place to call home.
I give it the thanks and the glory to God, because He's the one that brought us through this.
And President Jewell told us that he was proud of the parish's response to the storm. They already had tornado sirens in place that were activated during that storm, but he says he feels like residents pay more close attention to them now. Reporting live in St. Charles Parish, Lily Cummings, WWL, Louisiana.
Lily, thank you so much.